Good morning students. Welcome in our geography class. Let me complete our second chapter. Our today's topic is Bushman tribe. But before starting the topic, let me ask you several questions. How many deserts are found in African continent? If you know the answer, comment on comment box. Alright? The answer is there are 3 deserts found in African continent. Right? Now second question. Name the 3 deserts which found in African continent. The answer is Sahara Desert, which is also the largest desert in the world. Second, Namib Desert, and third one is the Kalahari Desert. Now let me tell you the tribal peoples which are found in African continent. Students, most of the several types of tribal peoples are found in African continent, especially Bushman tribe, which today we are taking this topic also. And except the Bushman tribe, Masai, Baddu and lots of many tribal peoples are found in Africa. So let me start with our topic, Bushman tribe. Here I draw the map, southern map of Africa. In this map I am locating Tropic of Capricorn and 30° southern latitude. Also I am locating the 15° east longitude and 30° east longitude. Why I draw all this? Because to show the Kalahari Desert, position of Kalahari Desert. This is the position of Kalahari Desert in Africa where the Bushman tribe found. So the first topic is habitat area. This is the habitat area where the Bushman tribes are found. It means Bushman tribes are found between the 18° southern latitude to 24° southern latitude. It is also called Bechuana land, right? And the Tropic of Capricorn cuts the Kalahari Desert into 2 parts, right? Here the Zambia, Zimbabwe, Swaziland, Lesotho and South Africa. These are some of the countries which cover which border the Kalahari Desert. Alright. Now take the next topic, economic activities. As you know that earlier we discussed about the tribal peoples. The main economic activities of the tribal people is hunting and food gathering. What are the main occupation? This is hunting and food gathering. Every tribal people getting their food by food gathering, and also the major work which done by the tribal people is hunting. So Bushman tribe also done same kind of things. In hunting, they majorly catch all the big animals, and for catching the big animals, they tried several tricks. They make a deep dug into deep area of mud to capture the animal. Also they use the poisonous arrow for killing the animals. This is the kind and this is the tricks of the hunting which is used by Bushman tribe. Food, lots of food are famous in Africa, but we are talking about tribal peoples. So here I am going to tell you that the tribal people, the Bushman tribe are omnivorous. They are omnivorous. You know the meaning of omnivorous? ऐसे peoples जो कि herbivorous और carnivorous दोनों चीज़ों को कंज्यूम करते हैं, यानी कि ये प्लांट्स को भी कंज्यूम करते हैं और एनिमल्स को भी कंज्यूम करते हैं. तो बुशमैन क्या है? दे आर ओमनिवोरस. दे कंज्यूम प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल फ्लैशेस also. And the capacity of having the food is nearly a tribal man, a Bushman man, getting half of the ship, having half of the ship in his meal in one time. एक बार में आधी भेड़ खाने की क्षमता रखते हैं. And they are not food collector. They are not collecting the food for further use because the area of Kalahari Desert is tropical area, and the tropical area is very hot. and in the hotter region the food is not fresh for more time, it is spoiled, so they are not collecting the food, right? Clothes. The men's wear the triangular shape cloth and the remaining bodies are without, they are not covering the body because of hot climate. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ने के कारण, आप सभी जानते हैं, we also familiar with the hotter climate because our country also between the tropical zone, so we are also aware about the hotter climate. और हम भी जानते हैं कि गर्मियाँ कैसी होती हैं, ऊपर से जब डेजर्ट एरिया हो तो गर्मी और भी ज़्यादा होती है. So that's why the people, the basically the male people are not wearing the dresses. They most of the time they are naked, and the only cloth which they are wear is triangular shape, and the cloth wear by women is called chonga. It is a crossed shaped cloth in which this cloth is wearing by the women. Also they getting the things, and they also getting the children if they are moving from one place to another. ये जो चोंगा है इसका इस्तेमाल वो न सिर्फ कपड़े के तौर पर पहनने के लिए करती है, बल्कि अगर उनको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर मूव करना पड़ता है तो उसमें सामान इकट्ठा करके ले जाना या बच्चों को ले जाना, ऐसा काम भी करते हैं. नाउ शेल्टर. बेसिकली दे आर नॉट लिविंग सेटल्ड लाइफ, एक जगह पर नहीं रहते, एंड द फैमिली इज ऑल्सो वेरी न्यूक्लियर. दे प्रेफर न्यूक्लियर फैमिली फॉर सर्वाइविंग, easy surviving. So they just making their shelter for few time according to seasonal variation, and the home is made by bricks and mud, and also कुछ जंगलों में घास फूस होता है उसके द्वारा ये बनाया हुआ घर, झोपड़ी नुमा, जो गोल गोल झोपड़ियाँ होती हैं, आपने देखा होगा. See the image, that kind of houses built by Bushman tribe in the forest area. Now weapons and utensils, lots of weapons and utensils used by Bushman tribe, especially if we are talking about the weapons, they are using arrow, तीर का, and plus spear, भाला जिसे कहते हैं, for killing the animals. जानवरों को मारने के लिए ये एरो और स्पीयर्स का यूज करते हैं. इसके अलावा ऑस्ट्रिच के अंडे वगैरह ताकि सामान वगैरह रख सकें, और भी बहुत तरह की चीजें ये इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So these are some of the economic activities which is done by the Bushman tribe. Now second topic. Hope you understand everything here. If you trying to make the notes, take the help from this here. Okay. Adjustment with environment. The capacity of adjustment with environment is very competitive in Bushman tribe because they situated, they living in the place where the hot climate are found. तो इनके अंदर की जो क्षमता होती है, कैपेसिटी जो होती है लिविंग की, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अद्भुत होती है. हाँ, कुछ बातें ऐसी हैं जो इन्हें डिफरेंट करती हैं. द एल्डर पीपल इन द एस्किमो ट्राइब, द एल्डर पीपल सेक्रीफाइस देयर लाइफ for their family in the harsh time. But in the Bushman tribe, this is something different. In the Bushman tribe, the women are not getting the babies, means वो बच्चों को जन्म देना बंद कर देती हैं ताकि जो हार्श क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन और जब उन्हें फूड की अवेलेबिलिटी ना हो तो उस समय में सर्वाइवल जो है वो इजी हो जाए, राइट. सो द एडजस्टमेंट विद द एनवायरनमेंट इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, बट दे आर टफली सामना करते हैं इसका बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्डवर्क के साथ. नाउ कॉन्टेक्ट विद मॉडर्न कल्चर. Nowadays, Bushman tribes are start contacting with the modern societies, and even the number of Bushmen are going to decreases. The reason, कारण क्या है इसके पीछे? इसके पीछे कारण है दूसरे ट्राइबल पीपल्स का इनके ऊपर अटैक करना. आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा एक कॉमन पैटर्न हो गया है जो नामिब डेजर्ट एरिया में और आसपास के जो एरियाज हैं वहाँ रहने वाले लोगों ने इनके ऊपर अटैक करना शुरू कर दिया, ट्राइबल पीपल्स ने. एंड इवन द साउथ अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट, साउथ अफ्रीकन कंट्री की जो पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम है वो भी अब इन ट्राइबल पीपल्स को ज़्यादा सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है, अब इनके अपलिफ्टमेंट की कोशिश कर रही है ताकि वहाँ के सारे रिसोर्सेज का इस्तेमाल अच्छे ढंग से किया जा सके. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज कंडीशंस द नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स इन बुशमैन ट्राइब्स आर डिक्रीजेस. सो एंड इवन modernity is also influenced them. modernity का भी असर इन पर हो रहा है. टेक्नोलॉजिकली डिफरेंस, पहले तो क्या होता था, दे आर लिविंग द एंशिएंट टाइप ऑफ लाइफ, जैसे पहले एप मैन रहते थे, लेकिन जैसे जैसे कांटेक्ट में आ रहे हैं मॉडर्निटी के वैसे वैसे इनके जीवन में चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द बुशमैन ट्राइब. होप यू गेटिंग ऑल माई पॉइंट्स वेरी क्लियरली. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.